Welcome to the woodpile. Saturday, spent the day out at LEHMANS here in Kidron, just up the road, and had a nice day hanging out with Justin Rhodes and his wife and a couple kids that he had with him. It was a country living workshop. He was kind of the deal for the day. So he's got a book and shared it with everybody and talked about homesteading. One of the takeaways that I like when thinking about gardening and everything is the zoning. So putting raised beds close to the house so you're not walking 200 yards to go fetch a pepper or a tomato, right? Common sense ideas. So zone 1, closest to the house, zone 2, a little further, 3, 4, further, etc., etc. So when you're planning and setting things up, it's stuff to think about. It's about 90 degrees today, so it wasn't bad. They had a tent up out there and worked out pretty good. Very nice people. If you haven't checked out their channel, it's Justin Rhodes, and they're posting all the time. So they speak at the Homesteaders of America conference. I've not been there. I go to the Amish field day here in our Amish community, which is essentially pretty much the same thing on a Christian Bible-based homesteading and farming, and it's all local communities here, and that's in July. So I'll be going to that again. I've been going for about 5 years now. So cool event. Recommend checking those guys out on YouTube if you haven't. Really nice people. Just great crowd, great bunch of people out there today swapping information and tactics and thoughts and everything. That's what I like about those types of events, is you get to meet other people that are doing the same things that you are doing or trying to do or you want to do. Yeah. So just popping in here at the woodpile. Hope you have a good day. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you on the next video. Giddy up.